Well, hello and welcome to Magic Words. I am your host, Jonas Cain, and today we're on the second E of the 5 E's of positive influence. Last time we talked about engage. This week we're talking about the magic word empower. And there's 2 things to consider with this. One is for yourself, and the other is when working with others. To empower yourself, it means a few different things. One, in order to do anything, you have to be able to do it. You have to be empowered to do it. Sometimes it's a physical thing. Maybe you need to have a certain skill or talent set. Maybe you have to have certain knowledge. But maybe you're fully able to do it, but the lack of empowerment comes from a lack of confidence. Maybe it comes from a poor attitude. So gaining empowerment might mean taking some classes, getting some certifications. It might mean finding a mentor to help you along the way. It might mean just being able to overcome this stumbling block in your own heart or in your own mind, to get over these stumbling blocks so that you can then become empowered to do whatever it is you're trying to do. Now that's for yourself, but what about when working for others? The magic word empower, when working with others, reminds us to be a source of empowerment for others. We can either seek to build people up, or we can seek to undermine them. And I would suggest that if our goal is to be of a positive influence in our world, then we should seek practices that build up rather than tear down. One easy way to do that is to find the gold in other people. Everyone has gold in them. Everyone has something that they are an expert in. Everyone has something that allows them, their best selves, to shine. So the magic word empowerment reminds you to go seek that out in the other person. Until next time, my name is Jonas Cain. Stay positive.
I hope you're enjoying this series of videos. Please be sure to leave a comment and share this video so that others can benefit from it as well. And as always, if you have something you'd like to share with me personally, you may email me at jonas@positivitymagic.com.